And so that was really gratifying back to me that, okay, the Common Core, sometimes, we think, oh, I don't like that part, but okay, they're spot on. They're spot on that even in kindergarten we have to teach interpersonal skills because they're going to need those skills. They have to be able to greet someone. They have to be able to shake their hand. They have to be able to look in their eyes. And just all these personal skills are so important. And several of them said, we can teach them the skills to do the job they need to do. We can't necessarily spend the time to teach them the interpersonal skills. And, those soft skills are so important. They have to have the hard skills to get the job, but they need the interpersonal skills to be able to keep the job. And so that was very gratifying to me to see that what I do means something too, that by teaching them how to have a conversation, how do you start a conversation, how do you end a conversation, is very important as well. How many times do you get to walk through a factory? I've never been in a factory before in my life. And I got to walk through 2 of them this week. And that was so cool. And to be able to see the machines and what they're doing. And I never really knew what an engineer did. When I was a kid, an engineer drove the train. So to be able to see what a mechanical engineer and all the math and science that went into it. To be able to see labs in action, scientists sitting there working, chemists, and solving problems for us as, what do I put on this paper plate to make it so it doesn't leak? And, solving all these real world problems was so interesting. And I guess I always thought in my mind, oh, well, somewhere else those things happen. No, they were happening right there in the plant. The lab was right next to where they were producing everything. And so that was very, very interesting to me. I was going to say, if there's going to be another one next year, maybe I can get some of my colleagues to come with me. Okay. We definitely need it. It's we all have to teach economics now, with the Common Core. So I'm definitely going to email my friends and that I teach with, and some that are at other districts, and try to get a group of us to come. It was a blast. I had so much fun going to different places I didn't even know existed here in Cincinnati, and going in and talking to the business owners. How often do you get to do that? And the people who are really doing the work. So yes, I was very excited. I said it was fun because it was such a diverse group. I'm a kindergarten teacher, but I was in a group with a high school math teacher and middle school student teachers. And it's fun because in my building, I only have K-2. And so it was fun to hear a math teacher's, a high school math teacher, what his take was on some of the stuff too. So it was great. And where I teach is very rural, but then there were lots of people from Cincinnati Public who were, very urban. And so it was interesting to see the mix and how we all took the information, but we were all able to use it, when we get back to school in August, hopefully. So it was very good. Okay. Very nice.